Here I have Google Home, and today I'm going to show you how to use this device as a speaker, so how to share your sound with this device. So for this you will have to open its settings and tap here Cast My Audio, and then tap Cast Audio. After you hear the sound, it means that your device is now connected its volume to your Google Home, and now you can, for example, cast audio from YouTube or any other service that has sound in it.
Приветствую вас на канале HardReset.Info, и сегодня я покажу, как на устройстве Samsung Galaxy M32 сделать скриншот. Для этого сначала...
And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.